Namaste children, I warmly welcome you all to Prasann Vidya Mandir Mamandu Class 2 Subject EVS Lesson Animals Around Us. Today we are going to see the topics on animals, birds and insects. This is the first video out of the two videos prepared by me, J. Sangeeta, and the teachers are Miss Indumati, Miss Jyoti Lakshmi and Miss Monica. Expected learning outcomes. Students, you will be able to identify the body parts of animals. Describe the functions of body parts of animals. Animals and their body parts. What is this? Can you all see? What animal is this? Yes, this is an elephant. Can you see? What are the body parts? Can you identify the body parts of the elephant? Yes, as we have eyes, see, the elephant also have eyes. As we have a head, the elephant is also having head. As we have ears, the elephant is also having ears. Do we have tusk? Do we have tusk? Do we have tusk? No, but there is a special body part for the elephant. There is a tusk. There is a tusk. See, there is a trunk. There is a trunk. Wow. This is the body of the elephant. Wow. Do we have tails? No, we don't have tails. See, but elephant has a tail. Tail is a special body part for the animals. Here is a tail. As we have legs, the elephant is also having the legs. How many legs? We have 2 legs. How many legs are there for elephant? 4 legs. So, these are the special body parts for animals. Functions of body parts. Most of the animals that live on land have 4 legs to move from one place to another. They hop, they jump or walk. Like humans, they have 2 eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, teeth to chew the food. Many animals have tail. So here comes the giraffe. Can you all see the giraffe? The giraffe has a very long neck. We have a neck, but it is very short. But giraffe has very long neck. Here the giraffe also has the eyes, mouth, ears, body and 4 legs, and there is a beautiful tail for giraffe. You all like cow. You all would have seen cow daily in the streets. So the cow also have the body part, eyes, ears, ear, nose and mouth. What is the special thing? Horns. The cow has 2 horns. The cow has 2 horns. And here comes the special body part, udder. Where you get the milk? From the shop you get the milk? No, we get the milk from cows, udder. From here we get the milk. So, leg. The cow also has 4 legs. There is a fur and there is a tail. Here comes the body part for the horse. You all would have went the horse ride. You all went to beach. You all had a horse ride. Yes, horse ride. If you have stood on the horse, then you would have felt the feel of the horse. It has a mane. And it has a ear. There's a head, eye, muzzle, and here's a chest, and there's a body. On this body part, we used to sit, and we used to have the horse ride. And the horse also has one tail and four legs. Four legs. Horse neck. And this is a special part. See, hoof. Hoof is there. The foot, the horse walks, there is a hoof. H-O-O-F, hoof. And here comes the parts of the chicken. You all seen this chicken? Yes. The chicken has two eyes, the mouth, and it has a wing, it has a tail, it has a calf, leg, and feather. So these are the parts of the chicken. Now let's get into the body parts for the birds. You all seen many birds flying in the sky and even sitting in the trees. What are the body parts that the birds have? Have you all observed? Let's observe it now. The birds are also animals. Almost all birds fly in the air with the help of wings and feathers. Here there is a wing. Do we all have the wings? Do we all have the wings? No, we all have only two ants. With the help of the ant, can we fly in the sky? Can we fly in the sky? No, we can only swim in the water. We can only swim in the water. But the birds can fly using their wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. This is the wing. The bird is used to fly. There is a head, there is a beak, and there is a leg. And here is a two eyes to watch. There is a beak and there is a leg to walk. Here comes the parrot, the most favorite for most of you. Parrot is your pet animal. Here is a head, here is a eye, there is a beak, there is a beak. Have you seen the beak in the parrot? Yes, you play with the birds. So you observe the beak. B-E-A-K, beak. B-E-A-K, beak. B-E-A-K, beak. And without wings, the birds cannot fly. W-I-N-G-S, wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. And there is a beautiful feathers. F-E-A-T-H-E-R, F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather. There is a tail, T-A-I-L, tail. There is a tail, T-A-I-L, tail. And here's the body for the parrot. And there is a leg, and you can see that nails, sharp nails. Yes, it's claw. C-L-O-W, C-L-O-W. So now these are the body parts for the parrot. And here comes the peacock, which is our national bird. Can you all say which is our national bird? Yes, you're right. Peacock is our national bird. It has a beautiful feathers. You can all see this? Yes, it's so lovely to watch. It looks so beautiful. It has beautiful feathers. It has a beak. It has eyes, head, body part, and it has two legs. Animals usually have 4 legs, but birds have 2 legs. Wow! So wow! Can you see the ostrich? It has a long neck. Can you see this long neck of the ostrich? Yes, it is a flightless bird. It cannot fly, but it can run fast. It lays the largest eggs of any other living land animals or birds. Its eggs are very large. You can find these birds in the places of Africa. See how the legs of the ostrich. The ostrich can run very fast, but it cannot fly. They are called as flightless birds. So this is called as ostrich. 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 Next comes the penguin, the beautiful black and white combo. You can see the penguins. They are found in the coolest places. The coolest places the penguins are found, and it has a long beak, and they are also called as flightless birds, but they can swim in the water. They are aquatic flightless birds. We can see the penguins walking. So they tap their feet and they walk. They have the wings, but they cannot fly high. So penguins are flightless birds, but they walk also very slowly. So they look beautiful, but they look beautiful. They are found in the cool places. Penguins. 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 Here comes the insects. Have you all seen the insects? Yes, I can hear you telling what are insects. Yes, you are telling many insects names. So here is a bee. We check out for the body parts of bees. There was a difference. The animals were having their tails. The birds were not having the much birds are not having long tails. Short tails were there. And the animals have 4 legs. The birds have 2 legs. And the body parts of animals and birds differ. Let's check out the body parts of insects. Yes, let's go. Here the insects also have 2 eyes, and there is an antenna, and there is an head, there is a string, there is a leg, there is a wing. As a bird, some insects also have wings. To fly. So bee flies flower to flower, so it needs wings to fly. So it has wings, and this is the body part, string, leg and head. Next comes the cockroach. You are all very scared about the cockroach. When you look at the cockroach, you get scared. So it is also one type of an insect. So the cockroach can also fly using their wings, and they also have the antennas, and they also have their legs, their body part, head, eyes, everything. So this is all about cockroach. COCKROACH. Cock. 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 Roach. 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 COCK. Cock. Roach. ROACH. Cockroach. Here insects are some small animals. Most of the insects have 6 legs, and more than also some insects have legs. Some insects have wings to fly. Some insects stay in water. So some insects can stay in water, and some insects have 6 legs or more than 6 legs, and some insects can fly using their wings. Mostly insects are small animals. Insects are also small animals. So this is all about the insect. Here is the head, H-E-A-D, head. As we have head, the insect is also having head. As birds have wings, the insect is also having wings. W-I-N-G-S, wings. And 6 legs. Here for this grasshopper, it says 6 legs. S-I-X, 6 legs. So the insects also have legs. Some animals have horns and the insects have antennas. So this is the difference. Body part of ant. Here comes the body part of the ant. The ant bites you, you'll feel very bad. So this is the body part of the ant. Okay. So here is the head and here is the eye and here is the antenna. Here is the antenna. So this is the head, this is the eye and this is the antenna and this is the mouth, this is the thorax, this is the leg and this is the abdomen and this is the abdomen and this is the abdomen of the ant. Here is the abdomen of the ant. Okay, so these are the body parts of ant. Last but it is very important, here comes the water animals. Water animals. There are some animals that live in water. Many types of fishes live in water. They swim with the help of fins and tails. For water animals, they need fins and tail to move in the water. Because they are not land animals, they are water animals. So they don't need the legs to walk, they need the fins and tails. Animals need the legs to walk, but the water animals need fins and tails. F-I-N-S, fins and tails. They also have a mouth and eyes. They do not have a nose. Instead, they breathe with the part of gills. Animals breathe with the help of nose, but the water animals breathe with the help of the gill, G-I-L-L-S, gills, G-I-L-L-S, gills. So fin, tail and gills are the important parts for water animals, G-I-L-L-S, gills, G-I-L-S, gills, F-I-N-S, fins, F-I-N-S, fins, T-A-I-L-S, tails. So here is a eye, here is a mouth, here is a gills, G-I-L-L-S, gills, here is a fin, F-I-N-S, fins, and here comes the tail, T-A-I-L, tail for the water animal. So this is the example for the fish. And here comes the sea horse. When you look at the sea horse itself, then it is a Latin word from hippocampus. The word came from the hippocampus. Hippo itself means it is a horse. Hippo means it is a horse. Campus means it is a sea monster. So when you look at the image of the sea horse itself, you can feel it looks like a horse. It looks like a sea horse. It looks like a sea horse. It looks like a sea horse. It's a sea monster. Yes, it looks so. But what is the special feature of it? It's a marine animal. It is found in the water. It is found in the water. Out of 46 species, this is a small marine fish. It is a small marine fish. See, it looks differently, no? Yes, these are the parts of the fish. Here is a head, here is an eye, here is a mouth. These are the scales. These are the scales which protects the fish. And this is the fin, F-I-N, fin. And there is a tail, T-A-I-L, tail. How does the fish breathe? Do you all remember what man told? We breathe with the help of nose. How does the fish, the water animals breathe? Yes, I can hear you telling. Yes, with the help of the gills. G-I-L-L-S, gills. With the help of the gills, the fish breathe. Not only the fish, the water animals breathe. Here comes the shark. Wow, very sharp teeth. It has a very sharp teeth and it is the largest water animal. It is found in the depth of sea for 2000 meters. So it looks very big. It looks very big and it has a very sharp teeth. We find it very difficult to face it. It looks very dangerous. Yes. It also has the fin. It also has the tail. It also has the mouth. It also has the eyes. It has all the water animals' body parts features. Starfish. Does it look so beautiful? The name starfish itself says it looks like a star. So this starfish looks like a star. So the name is mentioned for it as starfish. Here comes the octopus. You all know oct means what? Oct means 8. Oct means 8. So it has 8 limbs. It has 8 arms. But it has 9 brains. The octopus has 9 brains. It works independently. It works independently because for each arms it has one brain and it also has the main brain. The octopus is also having 3 eyes and 2 pumpings. So the octopus is a special water animal where it has 8 limbs. So 9 brains. Octopus has 9 brains and 3 eyes. It is a special thing about octopus. Wow, it looks like an umbrella. Is it an umbrella? No, it is just looking like an umbrella. But what is it? It is a marine animal? Yes, it is found in the water? Yes, it is a sea animal. What is it? It's called as jellyfish. Jellyfish. It's not like a just jelly. It's jellyfish. Okay, jellyfish. Jelly. Jellyfish. Jelly. Jellyfish. It is a umbrella shaped bell. It has umbrella shaped bell body shape. Okay. It is also a water animal which is found in water. Here comes the activity part for you. You have learnt in this lesson all about the animals, birds and about the insects. What they do? Let's do this activity. Draw a line joining each animal with the word that describes how it moves. How does it move? Can you find it out? One has been done. Yes, the fish can swim. We all know the fish can swim in the water. What does the kangaroo do? What does the kangaroo do? Kangaroo? What does the kangaroo do? Kangaroo? Up. Oh, it ups and go. Wow, super. What does a bird do? What does a bird do? The birds fly. What is the snake doing? The snake is The snake clouds in the ground. What does the monkey do? The monkey jumps. Tree to tree, the monkey jumps. What does the horse do then? The horse run fast. The horse can run fast. So these are the animals that what they do, how they move from one place to another. Fish can swim, kangaroo can hop, bird can fly, snake can climb, horse can run, monkeys can jump. And I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. In this video, you have learnt about the animals' main body parts and its features, and the birds' body parts and its features, and also for the insects, its body parts and its features, and especially for the water animals, its body parts and its special features. You are learned to listen to it once again so you can get more information. Keep watching the videos and keep enjoying yourself. Be good and do good. Have a great day. Thank you, children.